All right, this video is going to be going over the exact action plan I want you to take to get your first deal. I want you to do cold calling marketing in order to find your first deal. So what are you going to do? What are the steps you need to take in order to make this happen? First off, you need to learn about cold calling and how to talk on the phone. So make sure you review my cold calling script that I provided you, and make sure you watch all the videos in this free university that go over how to talk with homeowners and how to talk with motivated sellers. Now that you know how to talk with homeowners, the next thing you need to do is prepare yourself to make the calls. So first, you're going to need to acquire a list of motivated sellers, of motivated seller data. So in the next videos, I'm going to show you exactly where to get this list and how to pull it. Now, once you have that list of motivated sellers, you are then going to upload that into a multi-line dialer. So you're going to need to sign up for the multi-line dialer that I use, which is Ready Mode, and I'll provide you a link for that in the following videos when I show you how to use this dialer. Now that you've uploaded the list to the Ready Mode multi-line dialer, you're ready to start cold calling. Now you're probably wondering, why do I need to use Ready Mode rather than just my cell phone? Well, your cell phone can only call one person at a time, and if they don't pick up the phone, you're going to be wasting a bunch of time on people that aren't answering. So what a multi-line dialer does is it calls multiple people at once, and it feeds you the people that answer, so that way you're constantly talking to people, and that way you're able to reach hundreds and thousands of homeowners. So once you get that list of motivated sellers, upload it to the dialer and start cold calling. I'm going to want you cold calling on this dialer for at least 4 hours a day. And if you do this for a couple months, you're going to be able to get your first deal under contract, no problem at all. So once you have that list of motivated sellers, you cold call it, you're going to find the people that are very interested in selling, right? You have a motivated list, but you need to find your needle in the haystack. You need to find your deal out of that list. So you're going to start collecting a list of people out of that big list that are very motivated in selling. You're going to follow up with them, you're going to nurture those leads, make them offers, and try to get them to agree on a price that's a deal and get the property under contract. And from there, you got your first deal from cold calling marketing. So this is the action plan that I want you to take in order to get your first deal. I want you to practice talking on the phone to homeowners. I want you to get the motivated seller data, upload it to a multi-line dialer, start conducting this cold calling marketing, nurture those leads and follow up with them of the people that are highly interested in selling, and get a property under contract. This is the action plan I want you to take. Let's move on to the next videos where I go over all the other marketing channels, a little bit more in depth on the cold calling one, and I show you where to pull a list and how to pull it of motivated sellers. I show you how to use a multi-line dialer, and I show you how to hire cold callers if you want to hire cold callers to do the cold calling for you. But if you don't have the money to hire cold callers, don't worry. You can do the cold calling all yourself and still get a deal quickly using this method. So let's move on to the next videos in the free wholesaling university. If you're watching this on YouTube, make sure you click the link down below and enroll in the full free university so that way you can access the rest of the free training videos. And if you'd like to upgrade to the complete wholesaling university, it's only $297, and you're going to get access to over 40 more videos than what's inside the free wholesaling university. This complete wholesaling university goes over everything you need to know from start to finish on how to get your first deal and then to scale the business all the way up to doing $1 million every single year. Look what's inside. All of these educational videos on every single part of the business. So that being said, if you'd like to upgrade to the complete wholesaling university, it's only $297. But if you're watching this on YouTube, click the link down below and at least enroll in the full free wholesaling university so that way you can access the rest of the free training videos. I look forward to seeing you inside the program because you're going to also be able to network in the community with all the other students. I look forward to seeing you inside.